Students, in this class we are going to discuss about application of integrals. There are so many applications of integrals, and the basic application of integration is area. How to find the area using integration. Let your curve is y equals to fx, and here limitation is x equals to a, x equals to b, x axis, and you have to find the area enclosed by this 4 equation. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. First, if it is possible, then draw the curve. For example, let y equals to fx is this is y equals to fx. Plot the curve y equals to fx. And here x equals to a is, let this one, this is x equals to a, and this is here x equals to b. And here this is x axis. X axis you can also write this is y equals to 0. That means x axis. And you have to find the area of this closed region, this shaded region here. That means if you are going to find this area, this is not rectangle, this is not trapezium, not well defined your figure. So you have to use here integration. Using integration you can find the area of this function. Here lower limit is a, upper limit is b, and here function is fx, and let small width is dx. Now integrate this function. If integration of this function is let gx, then put the limit is a to b, then put the limit, this is gb minus this is ga, and this is your answer. So using this step you can find the area under simple curves. Let us see some more examples related to this. Let this is curve y equals to fx, and you have to find area from a to b and this area. Then your equation for this will be integration a to b fx dx. This is the area of shaded region. This equal to area of shaded region. Now second, here let you have to find the area from this is y equals to fx, and this is y equals to gx, and you have to find this area a to this is b, and you have to find this area. That means here there is no any use of equation gx, y equals to gx. यहाँ भी हम क्या करेंगे, y equals to fx को ही इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. तो y equals to fx integration a to b, limit a to b, here y equals to fx, that means fx dx. This is equal to area of shaded region here. Next, here there are 3 different situations. In this situation you have to find the area of this shaded region. Here there is no any use of y equals to fx. That means our equation will be gx, integration gx dx from a to b. And for this situation here there is no any use of gx. That means you have to write only fx dx integration a to b. And if you have to find this area, that means you have to subtract this to this. That means gx a to b dx minus a to b fx dx. You have to subtract this one. That means your answer will be a to b gx dx minus a to b fx dx. This is, or you can write directly a to b gx minus fx dx. इसको हम अलग अलग करके भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर डायरेक्ट भी लिख सकते हैं. तो ये आपके पास एरिया आ जाएगा. And this is y axis, and your graph is like this. and you have to find area of this shaded region. A to B and C. This is y equals to fx and y equals to gx. This one is, and you have to find this area, this shaded part. Here this is fx, fx, fx. This one is fx, and this is here gx. This part is gx and this part is fx. This is fx. So from here to here, area will be fx minus gx dx integration a to b. A to b fx minus gx dx. And for this region, here above is your gx and below is fx. That means you have to write here gx minus fx dx, and here b to c. This is the area of shaded region. यानी आपको करना क्या है, आपको देखना है कि ऊपर वाला इक्वेशन क्या है और नीचे वाले इक्वेशन क्या है. ऊपर वाले से नीचे वाले को सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड देन पुट द लिमिट a to b. यहां पर भी देखिए ऊपर वाला gx, तो gx माइनस fx, हियर b to c. Between the curve y equals to sin x, y equals to cos x, from limit x equals to 0 to x equals to pi. Here question is find area between the bounded by the above curve. इस दिए गए कर्व का एरिया क्या होगा, इससे जो बॉन्डेड रीजन होगा उसका एरिया क्या होगा. लेट अस फाइंड. प्लॉट द कर्व. हियर दिस इज sin x. Sin x 0 to pi is this. Draw cos x. This is cos x. From 0 to pi, this is 0 and this is here pi. And you have to find area between 0 to y equals to sin x and y equals to cos x. From x equals to 0, this is x equals to 0, this is x equals to pi. X equals to pi. That means pi is this line. And you have to find this area. And first find the point of intersection. इस point of intersection को कैसे find out करेंगे? Equate sin x equals to cos x. This is first quadrant because 90 डिग्री यहाँ पर होगा. This is first quadrant. Sin x equals to cos x. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, दोनों तरफ हम क्या किए, डिवाइड कर दिए cos x से. तो you will get tan x equals to 1. That means x equals to pi by 4. That means this coordinate is pi by 4. Now you can integrate. अब इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4. ये देखिए ऊपर का ग्राफ जो है वो है cos x, नीचे वाला जो है sin x. That means you can write cos x minus sin x dx प्लस ऐड करेंगे फिर इसको पाई बाई 4 टू पाई, पाई बाई 4 टू पाई. पाई बाई 4 टू पाई के लिए देखिए ऊपर में क्या है sin x. दिस इज sin x माइनस दिस विल बी योर cos x. sin x माइनस cos x एंड dx एंड ऐड दिस प्लस दिस. इसको इंटीग्रेट कर दीजिए. इंटीग्रेट करने के बाद ऐड कर दीजिए. यू विल गेट योर आंसर. Now find the area enclosed by circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. First step, plot the curve. This is coordinate axis. X square plus y square equals to a square represents circle having center 0 0 and radius a unit. This is circle, and you have to find the area of this circle. Here let this part only here. And here x coordinate is 0 and here x equals to a. That means here x equals to 0 and x equals to a is your x limit. तो हम इसको पहले फंक्शन के फॉर्म में लिख देते हैं. दिस इज y square equals to a square minus x square and y is equals to root over a square minus x square. Now integrate this. Integration of root under a square minus x square and limit from 0 to a. 0 to a. 4 times this area is equal to the area of whole circle. 4 times this one and dx. Now root under a square minus x square, integration is x by 2. Here x by 2 root under a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is your formula, and 4 times this, and limit is here 0 to a. That means put the limit here. ये इसके इंटीग्रेशन का फॉर्मूला है जो कि बाय पार्ट्स से हम निकाल सकते हैं, और बाय पार्ट्स के वाले लेक्चर में हम लोग इसको डिराइव किए भी हैं, तो इसको हम लोग, ये फॉर्मूला है, डायरेक्ट आप इसको लिख भी सकते हैं या बाय पार्ट से डिराइव भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज x by 2 रूट अंडर a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर by 2 साइन इनवर्स x by a, 0 to a 4 टाइम्स. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू a हियर, यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो देखिए दिस विल बी 0, एंड a हियर, दैट मीन्स दिस इज हियर 4 टाइम्स. This will be a square by 2 sine inverse a sine inverse 1 minus this is, now put 0 put करेंगे, this is again 0, and sine inverse 0 is 0, that means here this is 0. Now this is sine inverse 1 is here pi by 2, that means 4 a square by 2 into pi by 2, that means 2 cancel. That means pi a square is the area of this circle. तो ये हमारा फॉर्मूला जो है निकल गया, सर्कल के एरिया का फॉर्मूला. जब रेडियस उसका a हो, उस केस में पाई a स्क्वायर इसका फॉर्मूला होगा. Now here question is, using integration find the area of region bounded by triangle whose vertices are 1, 0, 2, 2 and 3, 1. Let a is here, let solution, let a is here 1, 0, b is here 2, 2 and c is here 3, 1. First plot the points on coordinate axis. Let here coordinate axis is this one, and here 1, 0 is this one, 1, 0 is this, 2, 2 is this, and 3, 1. That means 3, 1 is left this one. Now join the points, you will get the figure, and this figure is triangle. Here vertex A is 1, 0, B is 2, 0, 2, 2, and C is 3, 1. Now write the equation of line AB. AB. This is equation of line. AB equation of line is your what? तो AB को लिखने के लिए हम 2 पॉइंट फॉर्म से ये लिख सकते हैं, y माइनस y1, y2 माइनस y1 by x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. Let here x1 y1 is this one, x2 y2 is this one. That means you can write y minus y1, that means 0, y2 minus y1, that means 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 1, and this is x minus 1. That means you can write, this is here y equals, this is 2 by 1, and this is x minus 1 by 1. That means equation is here 2x minus 2. This is equation of AB. 2x minus 2 is the equation of AB. This is here y equals 2x minus 2. Similarly, find the equation of BC and AC. So equation of BC and AC you can evaluate using this formula. Let x1 y1 is this one, x2 y2 is this one. Let x1 y1, x2 y2 for AC. तो इस तरह से हम करके तीनों इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो हम लोग पहले इक्वेशन को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. द इक्वेशन ऑफ AB, that means equation of AB is equal to here y equals 2x minus 2. This is equation of AB. Now equation of BC is equal to y equals 4 minus x. 4 minus x. Now equation of CA. Equation of CA is given by y equals x plus minus 1 by 2. X minus 1 by 2. Now using this equation, BC is here y equals 4 minus x. Y equals 4 minus x. and here this is y equals x by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is equation. Now you can find the area using this equation. First, here find area of this region plus area of this region minus area of this region. इस स्मॉल जो नीचे वाला ट्रायंगल है इसे माइनस कर देंगे, इन दोनों एरिया को ऐड करके इसको माइनस कर देंगे, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. नाउ इंटीग्रेट फ्रॉम 1 to 2 this function, so you will get the area of this triangle. Integrate 1 to 2, here function is 2x minus 2 dx plus integrate 4 minus x, integration 2 to 3, this is 4 minus x dx. That means this whole area is this plus this and minus this. So minus this, that means minus integration 1 to 3, here this is x by 2 minus 1 by 2 dx. Now after solving this, you will get the area of triangle. Now do integration, you will get 2, this will be x square by 2 minus 2x, and put the limit here 1 to 2 plus this is 4, this is x, and minus this is x square by 2, and again put the limit 2 to 3 minus this is your 1 by 2 x square by 2 minus half, and this is x. Now put the limit 1 to 3. After solving this, you will get your value. हमने रफ में कैलकुलेशन करके आपको डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे हम लोग नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, and your answer will be 3 by 2 is your final answer. That means अगर ये बोर्ड के लिए आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि यूजिंग इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रीजन बाउंडेड बाय ट्रायंगल हुज वर्टिसेस आर दिस वन. तो आपको क्या क्या स्टेप दिखाना है. तो फर्स्ट, प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स. सेकेंड, राइट द इक्वेशन. इस पॉइंट से इक्वेशन लिखेंगे. इक्वेशन लिखने के लिए कौन सा फॉर्मूला आपके पास? फॉर्मूला है y माइनस y1 एंड x2 माइनस y2 माइनस y1 by x2 minus x1 x minus x1. This is your formula, and write the equation. Then find the integration of this trapezium. इस trapezium का एरिया निकालिए. ये ट्रायंगल है, ये ट्रेपेजियम है, और दोनों को ऐड करके टोटल एरिया हो गया माइनस दिस ट्रायंगल. तो इस ट्रायंगल को माइनस करेंगे, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ योर ट्रायंगल. उसके बाद हम लोग इसको फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. बहुत आसान स्टेप है ये. बोर्ड के लिए, बोर्ड के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, और इस पे हम लोग को प्रैक्टिस करने का जरूरत है.